Hello, welcome to another episode of Minecraft Complete Morning Guide, and in this episode I'll be showing you how to create a new animal. So animals are basically friendly mobs, but they can have babies and they follow you if you hold wheat in your hand. So I'm going to be showing you how to register it, add the render of it. So for this example I'll be using a model render of a cow. All the info you need, including the tempting and the mating and some other stuff that will really help with the code, as well as the render, the model, and another custom biome spawning, but this time in the mushroom biome. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is import the thing we need for the model and render to work. So we've created our mod, we've extended base mod, and now we need to put here import java.util.map. So this map thing, and then put semicolon. So the map thing is the thing that allows the game to attach this model and render we're going to put in later to our mob. So that's the import done. So now the next thing we're going to do is register the entity. So we're going to put mod loader inside the public void load constructor, mod loader dot register entity ID. You can select whichever one you want because we're going to take out this information anyway. And now first we need to put the entity class name that's going to hold our entity animals information. So that's going to be called entity green cow.class, but we're going to create that later, which is what it's going to show up as an error. And now we've got to say what in-game entity name is, so we put speech marks, and inside we put that, which is green cow, another comma, and now we just give it an ID, and we could do that by putting mod loader.get unique entity ID, which finds an ID that's not being used and attaches it to this entity. So that's our mob entity registered to the game. So now we've got to create a new constructor which is going to hold the model and render of our class, of our entity. So we're going to put public void add renderer, then in the brackets we're going to put map and map, then put two curly brackets, and now we need to put map dot put. It's left out there, or put, just put by itself, and then inside these brackets we need to put what entity is gonna have this. So entity green cow dot class, what the render is gonna be. So we're gonna put new render green cow, which we're gonna create later, two brackets, and we just put in here what the model's gonna be. So we're gonna put new model green cow, which I'm also gonna create later. Then put two brackets after that, so that there, and then that closes that, and then just before, after these, but before that we need to put a comma and then 0.5f. I'm not sure what 0.5f does, but we need it, and that's our renderer added. And as you see, there's a few errors, but these are classes that we haven't created yet.